It'll be back to school for a lot of kids in 2 weeks. A new state law goes into effect September 1st, requiring new school buses to have seat belts. That law was actually passed back in 2007 and deferred till now to give districts time to comply. But your students will not be buckling up this fall. What's the holdup? 11 News reporter Allison Triarci went to find out.
It's a picture that made us all stop and stare. A horrific school bus crash in Missouri this week left 2 young people dead and so many more hurt. Critics say seatbelts on school buses could have prevented injuries.
We need to take action, not talk about it, not study the issue. It's been studied since 1967. It's time to put the belts in the buses.
Product safety lawyer Rob Ammons is currently suing the motor coach industry for not having belts on its buses. He doesn't understand why our state, which passed a law to install belts like these on our school buses, isn't taking action.
And until we get these belts in school buses, we're putting our children at risk.
While the state passed the law and a study was done to implement it, the Texas School Board is still reviewing it.
The district's waiting for the feasibility study for the board and TEA to review and finalize that feasibility study, and we'll defer to those recommendations.
Without an approved plan, Houston and other school districts can do nothing.
Well, there's a lot of talk, and it seems to be a lot of red tape and very little action.
Critics argue that it is because of state government red tape, that you simply won't see seatbelts on our school buses perhaps for a few years to come. They point out that, interestingly enough, one city in Texas already uses seatbelts on its school buses.
They have required seatbelts in school buses for the AISD, the Austin Independent School District, for many, many years now.
At Houston area bus barn. In 2 weeks, 900 drivers for the Houston Independent School District will take your kids on the road again. And once again, click it or ticket will not apply here. In Southeast Houston, Allison Triarci, 11 News.
We have also learned that as part of a cost-cutting measure, the Texas Education Agency wants to reduce seatbelt funding from the allotted $10 million to $3.6 million.